Hey and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to create this James LeBron logo inside Microsoft PowerPoint. So the left one is an image, the right one is the logo created inside PowerPoint. So let's get started. I will start in the blank presentation. I already have this logo in here, so I will select Format, Color, and I will select this gray preset. That will cause that the colors will be a little bit faded, just so I can better see what I'm drawing. I will zoom in as much as I can over this logo L, and I will try to trace the outer part using the rectangle. So I will select Insert, Shapes, Rectangle, and I will try to draw the rectangle in a size that it kind of matches the letter, like this. Now I will open the fill properties, more fill colors, and I will increase the transparency to maybe like 60%. Right click and select Set as Default Shape. That will cause that all newly drawn shapes will have this fill and outline properties, so once I draw a new shape, it will be semi-transparent as well. I want to trace this gap in here, and it seems like that there is a circle and a rectangle, but instead of using a circle and a rectangle, I will actually use a rounded rectangle this time, because if I use it, I don't need to, align two different objects. So insert, new shape, being the rounded rectangle, and I will draw it like this, and increase the roundness of those corners, dragging this yellow handle all the way to the right side, like this, and I guess I'm pretty happy with this shape. So I will continue with another shape, which will be another rectangle, which I will later on subtract from the main shape, like this. Now before I subtract all those shapes, I will probably keep this shape around, because that could be handy. Maybe not, I don't know, maybe I don't need it. Maybe I will just start with the letter L. So I will select the main shape, and I will select all those shapes as well, and select Merge Shapes, Subtract, which will subtract those two shapes, and we get the letter L. You can see there is some kind of glitch in here. Maybe if I just first subtract this shape and then the rectangle, we will not have this glitch in here. Let's try to see it. No, it's still there. So it's kind of strange. Maybe I could do it the other way around. Sometimes the precision is not very good for those Boolean operations, so sometimes it takes a few more tries to see what works and what not. Okay, so if I first subtract the rectangle and then I subtract the rounded rectangle, seems that there is no glitch in here. So I can move on and continue with the crown in the middle. So the crown is obviously made from a rectangle and few circles, I guess. So I will insert a new shape, being the rectangle. I will try to draw it like this. There is a little bit of step in here, so I guess I will draw another rectangle in the middle and try to align it properly. Then I will insert a new oval and try to match the gap, just like this. I will duplicate this oval holding the Shift and Control key on my keyboard and dragging the shape to the right side. Now I need to add those two rectangles together, so select both of them, select Merge Shapes, Union. Then I will select all three shapes and select Merge Shapes, Subtract. And we have the crown symbol. For the letter J, it's actually the flipped version of the letter L, so I can just drag it to the right side holding the Shift and Control key on my keyboard, and I will select rotate, flip horizontally, or flip horizontal, position everything properly how it should be. Then I can select all my three shapes, move them to the side or bottom, doesn't matter that much. I'll move the original image to the left side. I know that it's all black, but I can still reset the picture. And for all those shapes, I will set the outline to be no outline, and fill of course to be black, but I have to still set the transparency to be 0%. The other thing how I can do it is just to use the eyedropper tool. If I sample the black color, it will be not transparent. And that's it. That's how you create this James LeBron logo inside Microsoft PowerPoint in almost no time. Thanks for watching.